Hello, my name is Saif Aljeelani, and in this video I will demonstrate the manufacturing processes involved in making a perfume holder. An overview of the product: the frame of the case will be manufactured using wood and clocked in leather. The interior of the container will have epoxy resin to hold the perfume. I have chosen this product development project because I always was facing issues while carrying glass containers and risking the fracture of these fragile and expensive perfumes. With these materials and this video, you could construct your own secure holder for your perfumes or any glass items. These materials will be used in this video. I began marking the wooden board 15 by 12 inches using an angle ruler. For this project, we require 5 sides to construct the frame of the holder. Using a wood table cutter like this type, the cutting process will begin as shown in this part. Some pieces needed sanding for exact cutting tolerance. I started joining together each board using a hammer and nails specific for wood. As you can see, we currently have a box-shaped container. Now I will be taking out the leather wrap to obtain the length and width needed for each side. I began cutting the leather using scissors to fit without blocking the 4 compartments, so I could staple the leather using a staple gun on the wooden box. In addition to the staple gun, I applied heavy-duty glue to help the leather stick more to the sides. We have reached the half point of this project. After taking measurements of one compartment, I will draw lines using a marker to cut exact pieces of the cardboard to fit each compartment. Each cardboard piece is joined using a tape and, if necessary, glue. I will be shaping the frame of the cardboard into a triangle bar. Next, we'll be measuring the epoxy and hardener to obtain a ratio 1:1. Now I am mixing 250 grams of epoxy resin and 250 grams of epoxy hardener for 3 minutes. This chemical has a strong and effective odor. Wearing a mask and gloves is advised for safety. I have chosen to add the option of a blue coloring mixture to the epoxy. Epoxy to form for 12 hours until it becomes solid. Now I will remove the cardboard pieces. Next step is to smooth any uneven surface using sandpaper. This step will be exactly like the previous with using epoxy. But now I will shape the cardboard to fit as the front panel, so when the epoxy solidifies after 12 hours, a transparent panel will be ready to be mounted using a rotating mechanism on the front side of the wooden frame. I started drilling 2 holes on the top side of the box to add a leather handle using bolts for easier carrying of the container. Next, I added 2 handles on each side so the perfume holder could be mounted inside of a vehicle. Finally, now as you can see, this is the final product of the perfume holder. The epoxy resin provides excellent protection and stability for each perfume. You can use this product as a home stand or even for travel purposes. For instance, this product could be mounted inside of your car while safeguarding the perfumes. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.